Hey there everyone, this is Chris from the Tech Basement. Once again, thank you for returning if you've been here before, and if you're a first-time viewer, thanks for coming by, I appreciate it. Those that have not hit the subscribe button yet, please do so and hit that notification bell. They work now for the most part. So let's dive into what we're going to look into today, and that is the EK Phoenix modular system. It will be the 360 Rad, which I have right here, and then the CPU water block. Okay everyone, we have the 360 in front of us right now, and we're gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's fully boxed. So here we go. I'll just turn this around real quick so you can get a first impression when you open the box here. What you get is a very well packed package. Now, what we see here is our 360 Rad, and it's packed in here really well, good and tight, and very neat. I do like the packaging from EK, and it is very protective, and I would say you don't have any problems with anything such as damage to the product. Now, it did come from overseas. I ordered it directly from EK, and it was 40% off on their Black Friday into Cyber Monday sales. So if you can get this for the same price for Christmas, that would be awesome. One thing about these radiators real quick, like in this modular system, that is going to be very nice, and why I actually decided to go with this besides or over the Fluid Gaming product they have, is because this thing's modular, like I was saying before. And what that means is you take these, you unclip them via this right here, and you put this into it, she fit, and bingo. There's supposed to be no drop, as in no liquid coming out. So we'll see how well that works when we go to put that in the machine. But I'm expecting very good things, because everybody that I have seen that has done a review on this hasn't had any problems with these connectors. So they're a fast connect and disconnect. So that's what we have for the 360 Rad. As you can see, it has the Vardar 120s already put on there. You have all the cable management already done for you right underneath and through to your, where is that at now? From here all the way through up into here where you have your power. Now this is where you're going to connect everything all up, your power. This is of course your fans, as you can see, and you have your power, and if that's on, like you can possibly see, that says good. So they have some fail safes in here to help you with seeing what possibly is wrong. Now another thing here is that we have a fill hole right here in case we start losing any liquid or want to change it out, the cooling fluid, with something else like a color or something along that line. Then on the bottom here, I think this is a drain. This right here I believe to be a drain hole. Not sure, but I guess we can find out in the manual here. So let's take a look and see what we can find real quick. Alright, well, it's telling me how to do everything. Alright, that's a good thing. Let's see, it only shows up top from what I'm seeing so far, but I'm sure it's in here somewhere. You can go online and look at all this, and it also shows which one is the pump and which one is basically your reservoir. So that is really nice within the diagram here. and what all the different connections are that I was just looking at. So that's your overview real quick, like with a 360, 280 Rad, at least with the instructions here. So let's move on to the CPU. Oh yeah, one other thing I forgot to show you here is the connectors right here, and that goes to the power up here on your left hand side here, and also has other screws for your Vardar fans here. So next we have the CPU water block here, and we're gonna open this up real quick, like if I can find a place to open it up, and then see what's in this wonderful box here. Ah, here we go. Okay. Let's just take this box out of here. All right, I see. There we go. It is a little bit of a work here. How can you call this work, right? Wow. This box is really interesting. You have to say one thing, it's at least really secure, and it's not going to fall out anytime soon or very easily for that matter. Now let's see, what do we got here? Thank you for purchasing EK cooling module. Installing process for installation and connect your EK Phoenix module is part of the Radiator core installation manual. Installation manual is also available online. Thank you very much for that. Okay, once again, the packing is pristine. I do like the care that they did put into it. I mean, everything is protected. I mean, everything. This is really nice protective foam. Not too hard, but not too soft. Let's see here. So first of all, what I pulled out here are your brackets that you will be needing. This is the AMD upgrade kit for the Phoenix package. Let's see, anything in there? Oh, no. Okay, that's nice. Let's see what we got here. Oh, also have their thermal grizzly. So I hear this is pretty good, so we'll be using that for the thermal paste. And of course, all the different screws. Let's see what we have here. Oh, the back plates. Yes, these are the back plates for your motherboard. And then last but not least, here we go. The water block itself. We're not going to be taking anything off of anything on here, but it's very simple. You do have your water block. I imagine underneath it's going to be really nice polished and smooth, very, very smooth. So now let's take a look at the design here. It's not very fancy, and some people have knocked it for that. I'm not sure why. It's not fancy. I understand that, but you're looking at a modular unit, almost something I want to say along the lines of your AIOs. Now I know this isn't an AIO setup. I know this is a pretty good performer compared to your AIOs, and it should be a step or two above, especially for the prices you pay in order to get this at regular price. And now, could have they gone fancier? Yeah, probably. Would have it put another 20 bucks on it? Maybe. I don't know. I personally could care less if it's fancy. I just want something to cool my stuff and cool it very well. So as far as I'm concerned, it's pretty classy. I do like their Phoenix symbol there. They do have some writing up here that says Phoenix. No big deal. I suppose we can take this off so you can possibly see it better, but that's if I can take it off. Alright, maybe not. So there you have it. There's the water block for the CPU, the back plate, your screws, the thermal grease they put in there, which is supposed to be pretty good, and your AMD upgrade kit. So with all that, let's see what we get. Alright. Okay, there you go, everyone. That is what I have for you for the EK Phoenix modular system. The 360 Rad and the CPU water block. These should do very well for what I need them for, and we will be doing some temperature tests a little bit later. That should be my next video. So until then, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and this is Chris saying out.